What will you do if a snake bites you? Whether you're afraid of snakes or believe that if you don't bother them, they won't trouble you, it's important to know what to do if you get bitten by one. Snakes normally bite defensively rather than attacking humans. But to be on the conservative side, what will you do if a snake bites you or someone else near you? Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Number 1. Call an ambulance right away. Any snake bite should be handled as an emergency, irrespective of whether the snake was poisonous or not. Use a cell phone or have someone else call for help instead of dashing for a phone. Number 2. Don't be terrified and don't move. Staying cool and immobile after a snake bite might help prevent the spread of venom in your body, which is easier said than done. It's a fallacy that snake venom enters your bloodstream immediately after a bite. It travels through your lymphatic system instead. Unlike blood, which is continuously pumped around your body, lymph moves when you move your limbs. Number 3. Allow the snake to be alone. Do not attempt to identify, trap, damage, or kill the snake. You will most likely come up short. Venom deposited on clothing or the skin should be used to identify venomous snakes. Staff at the hospital have access to a variety of tests that can help them determine the type of snake you were bitten by, allowing them to provide you with the best treatment possible. Number 4. Apply a splint and a tight restraining bandage. The majority of snake bites occur on a limb, hence the legs, feet, arms, and hands are the most usually bitten areas. Applying a pressure restraining bandage on a bitten limb can block the venom from traveling through your circulatory vessels. Number 5. Avoid washing, sucking, or cutting the bite. There are a number of traditional snakebite treatment procedures that are now recognized to do more harm than good. If you wash the bite location, you can get rid of the venom, which the hospital staff can use to figure out what kind of snake bit you. Sucking or cutting the biting area is not recommended. So, what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos.